Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can make your notification settings in Google Slides presentation. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going there, we need to open the Google Slides. So as you can see, I've already opened it, and after that we have to open a presentation. So as you can see, now I'm here. If you want to apply a design, for example, I'm going to apply this design. So let's click on this. As you can see, now it's here. Now what I'm going to do, simply we have to go to the tools. As you can see, here's the tools option. So let's go to the tools, and after going to the tools, here's the option for the notification settings. So we have to click on the notification settings. As you can see, all comments, you will be notified about all new comments activity comments for you. You will be notified about the mentions and threads inviting you, and none. We will add page in the documents, but don't send the notification you. As you can see, these all three options are provided here. Now you have to choose that which option is suitable for you. For example, I'm going to choose this one, comments for you, and let's click on the OK. And now it will work according this, and you will get the notifications according this. So in this way, you can make your notification settings on your Google Slides. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.